This is an introduction video about how to graph linear equations. We'll start with a simple example. First, we'll find the rate, make an XY table, then we'll plot points on a two-dimensional plane. In the second example, we'll draw a graph and find the equation. First example, the ice cream price is $2 for each scoop. Find the following information. Let's find the rate. We've done this many times in the previous rate video. It is $2 for each scoop. So $2 per scoop. And let's make an XY table. The table is called XY table because there's X and Y. In the XY table, X goes to the first column and Y goes to the second column. And what is X here? X is going to be the number of scoop. And Y is what's left, which is price in this case. For one scoop, the price is $2. For two scoops, $4. For three scoops, it is $6. Let's just try up to 4 scoops. And it can go on. Each set of these numbers is a point. And let's plot those points on this graph paper. This kind of graph paper comes really handy, especially when you are a beginner. First, draw a horizontal number line, and we call this x-axis, and that is for the number of scoops. Draw a vertical number line and call this y-axis, and that is for the price. Let's mark those numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't have these scoops, but we'll just mark them 6, 7. And the price is, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. For the first scoop, it is $2. So put a point here. For 2 scoops, $4. 3 scoops, it is $6. For 4 scoops, it is $8. For each point, there is an address, which is 1, 2 in this case. For this point is 2, 4. This is 3, 6 and 4, 8. All these number sets are called coordinates. And the first number is always x-coordinate. The second number in the parenthesis is always y-coordinate. Before we move on to the next lesson, I want you to remember these names. So when I say x-coordinate is 3 and y-coordinate is 6, then you should be able to locate where the point should be, which is right here. Let's practice another example. This time we'll draw a graph and also find the equation of the graph. The gasoline price is $3 for each gallon. Find the following information. Let's find the rate of the gasoline price first. It says it's $3 for each gallon. So $3 per gallon. An XY table. Let's draw a table. And the first column is always for X. The second column is always for Y values. And in this case, X is the number of the gallon. Y is the price. For 1 gallon, the price is $3. For 2 gallons, it is $6. For 3 gallons, it is $9, and so on. Now we are going to graph this, but before we graph it, we're going to plot these points. Draw a horizontal line. And what is this called? It is x-axis. And it is for the number of gallons. Number of gallons. Draw a vertical line. And we call this what axis? Y-axis. And this is for the price. Let's mark some number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And since we have 3, 6, 9, let's just mark 3, 6, and 9, maybe 12 here. 3, 6, 9, and 12. You have to be careful when you mark these numbers on a number line. If 2 units here is 3, then 2 units here has to be also 3. You can't have 3 here and 6 here. You have to draw this to scale. Same as x-axis here. You can put 1 here or 1 here. If 1 is here, then 2 should be over here. The scale of the x-axis and y-axis don't have to match, but within the number line, you have to draw the numbers to scale. Okay, let's plot these points. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Put a point here. 2 and 6. 2 and 6 over here. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. For 4 gallons, it'll be $12. Let's stop here for a second. Is there a price for 1.5 gallon? So for 1.5, how much would this be? This is a typical ratio problem. So 1 gallon, it is $3. Then 1.5, it is $4.5. If you need to review ratio problems, you can check out the ratio videos. So it is $4.5. How about 1.2 gallon? Is there a price for that? Yeah, there is. We're not going to calculate all that numbers. How about 1.001 gallon? There should be a price. What I'm trying to say is, for all these decimal numbers between these whole numbers, there are prices. So if you plot all those points here, that'll make a continuous straight line. How about when it is 0? For 0 gallon, there's nothing to sell, so the price is also 0. So it starts from here We call this origin, and the location is 0, 0. Let's find the equation. The equation of this line is, if you look at the rate, it is $3 per gallon. The equation of the line is y equals 3x. That's it. Is that going to be always this simple? No, but in this case, it is this simple. Let's check if we have the right equation. When x is 0, 0 times 3 is 0. When x is 1, 1 times 3 is 3. When x is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Let me make a little space here. When x is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. Do these numbers match? For x values here, we get the same y values as these. So this is the right equation for the graph. And in this case, x never goes negative, so y is equal to 3x, and x is always greater or equal to 0. We'll talk about a lot more other graphs and other equations in the next video. Let's say you rode a bicycle and the speed was 10 miles per hour. Find the following information related to the number of hours and the distance. This problem is very similar to what we just did right now. If you need to review, go ahead and try the previous problem. If you feel confident, try this on your own. I will set 1 minute and 30 seconds and begin.